Welcome to the Chairman Television Station, Wazobia TV on Top Star Times Channel 195. And this, now the Ogbonge program, As It Dey Hot. The only democracy when they on top of television, sake of say, all the topic when they come out smoke inside Nigerian political arrangement, we they drop them here, as the thing be, they talk them, so that those when the matter concern go take the necessary action and move our country forward. Every Friday, na Jollof edition, sake of say, concussion of all our topic from Monday go reach Thursday, we go drop them, come top them up with things when happen today when be Friday. This na special Friday, sake of say, after this Friday, when we come back, we will begin the look November 10, that special date when they're very special to us for Wazobia TV. My name is Ezu Gochokwode, and as usual, I know they're alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when Sabi well as they concern politics matter as it is hot.
Yes, good morning, our viewers. Welcome to the Asekpo edition of your program, my program, our program. That grassroots program where they do it in, where they give our political issues, political information of waiting they happen for Obodo Nigeria. And what will be the name of the program? As It Dey Hot. Yes, because now our program and our program. We'll go open our phone line when that time reach, because I know say a lot of now miss out for the action over the week. So that now if you contribute for any of the issues we interest to now. Because now on just a lowdown of waiting we'll talk from Monday to Thursday. Now we will give now. And then also top them as you could top them up with something where they very fresh and then sizzling when that time reach. So that I think now if you contribute. Yes, and we'll get our phone line. Now if you contribute as I talk. And may also bear in mind say this program as we talked earlier. Now program we go at least we go help define the state of our country. My name never see change. My name is Nkubi, and this now As It Dey Hot.
As we do every Monday, we tear the nylon come out on top all of the action story when happen over the weekend. And this Monday no be exception, because we discuss so many of the things when we say come out for inside our news on Monday. After that Monday, when we carry one of the topic enter for Tuesday, as it get to do with the condition of roads inside the southeastern part of Nigeria. Our Vice President, Professor Yemi Osinbajo, carry waka enter inside Enugu State for one service when they do for inside one Anglican church, Church of the Good Shepherd, Anglican Communion. He talks say wetin I see as he take concern roads for inside the southeastern part of Nigeria. The thing a very, very serious shame. And our senators can't decide, say, based on what he don't talk, and based on say their ear, they on top, then carry waka enter inside the southeastern part of Nigeria under the leadership of Senator Barnabas Gemade. Say, may then go check how gully erosion don't scatter plenty of the parts for inside the southeastern part of Nigeria. They can't discover, say, a lot of the roads when they our southeast, the thing don't spoil well, and the way when the thing be, government need to intervene sharp. Our federal government can't come out, can't talk, say, they go do all them go fit do sharp to use ensure say they go move the situation and solve them once and for all. On Wednesday, we can talk about the Center for Social Justice. When they come out with information, talk say APC and PDP for the 2015 general election, they spent over 11.65 the thing they hold my mind. 11.65 billion naira just for the election alone. They can't check and say if we check the things when they happen for different states for inside Obodo Nigeria, it shows say many of our governors and people when they inside government, now inside the hand of government, now in them deep come out money when they use sponsor the election. We can't they talk say time don't reach to hold people responsible for this kind of thing, because if our law talk say make you not spend past this amount and you spend past that amount, you don't break the law.
Yes, from Wednesday issue we'll carry enter Thursday. And what will be the issue we'll talk about yesterday? Now issue we see yes, Nigerians they don't put their ear for ground to make sure at least to follow up on this issue, because even after we talk yesterday, will they see reaction from people from Nigerians on this issue? Say no, if this is how we want to see it, make sure say waiting our leaders promise us, make them give unto us. And what will be the issue we'll talk about yesterday? We'll talk about unemployment in Nigeria and the campaign promise promises where our current leadership, our current party, APC, where they offer to Nigerians during their campaign. And the major way they make news, now the way they talk, say they will pay every unemployed youth the sum of 5,000 naira every month. So the way they really play out now, we say. So a senator from Abuja, Senator Philip, Diamond people will raise the issue, say, make we talk about this issue. And from there, now APC people can say, no, make we forget about that, we're not going to talk about that, Where even the minority Senate leader for the House, Oga Akpabio, even stand up to also talk. They still say, no. Now make us come to ask, say, hey, if now we be saying now, make these promises. And they call the issue, say, make we talk about that. Now, call the kick against that. What it be in our plan? What it be that when I carry for mind? Say, if this is how you want it, we want this thing by force, by fire. And we can also at least, now the issue we played out yesterday, and then we also, I think that's why I also make it give out to now, so at them, we will feed a follow up to know how far and how well we won't go with all the promises where APC don't offer us.
We don't call our story, them drop them as it happen all this week. And we go top them up with this very, very interesting one. Everybody knows, say, our ministers, they sit down, do retreats, based on, say, they won't prepare for the work when they come. And a lot of Nigerians don't talk, say, make them start their work sharp, and make them no waste time. But some people don't come out and talk, say, this one when we say, with the hear information, say, our country account don't reach the level when we say, some of these our ministers, now Okporoko, then go wrap for them inside nylon, make them use it and they go, they cook soup every end of the month because of, say, money if we no reach to pay them. We don't come decide, say, make we no get situation when we say, we go come out exactly, talk exactly the amount when we say, people when they for government, they earn. So that Nigerians go know. At the end of the month, we'll carry our own calculator, begin the calculator, make we know how much government they spend. Because if you talk, say, money no day, and the person where you pay I mean million, how we go take we justify whether money day or money no day? That one follow for the top up when we don't carry post for the discussion of all the Ogbonge Tori when happen this week with that.
Yes, we don't see them, and for our viewers, we don't see the updates of the issues we happen over the week. We will talk about over the week, and as we talked before, at least make now follow up. Those of now we miss out for the issues, at least now don't get a hint for now to contribute and also chook mouth for any of the story we interest or not. Yes, Chukudi, this same issue we will talk about yesterday, this unemployed issue, because it's something even can raise a lot of arguments, even for social media. You don't see, say, at this stage that one of the things where they rain now, this same drama we play out for Senate House or top of this matter, and youth, as a matter of fact, don't they drive the move, say, look, APC will now make promises, and for that reason, we want, as a matter of fact, we are demanding for our promise. We demand for that to win and do it, when our promise us. Some of them even come and contact and say, look, we know, saying as much as una never really settle to say now one move for change, but please make now for address this issue so as we go feel know where our faith lie. So at least we go feel hold accountable, say yes, so they don't talk this one, rather than to just wave the issue away completely. So giving Nigeria this sense of thought, say, so now lie, now can't lie for us. True. I mean, it is an issue that is on right now, and we feel, say, we know, say, yes, this is also what we talk about, say, Nigerians demanding for what is their right from the promises made by their leaders, so they say they will offer them. I mean, it was a laudable one for me.
But it is very important, say, make we point out the fact, say, Nigerians don't lose confidence in people when they for government. Why? Because it be like, say, some people, their own, and say, once they just reach government, now about their pocket and their family members.
People talk to Nigerians. I want believe to be all Nigerians lose confidence in their leaders. We still get Nigerians out there. Some Nigerians will still believe in some individuals or some leaders will feel, say, yes, Nigeria is on the path of change.
But the sad thing about believing in one individual, say, no be individual.
No be. At least certain individuals, in a collective way, no doubt.
If we get one individual for government, when we say, we talk, say, oh, this person a good person, but government na work of everybody, and as all of them they like that over the years, probably since 1999, as then they promise, as then they like that.
Mentioned since 1999.
Exactly, and I mentioned since 1999 because 85% of the people when they APC today, from 1999 at PDP then they when they come switch go APC, when automatically they come when they present themselves to us as political born against. Some people don't make money for on top of this country under which political party? PDP. Now they don't do APC. If they won't really do mea culpa, make them return all the money when we say they don't collect.
No, this time around they have come for change, and say we talk and say people don't become political born again. And it can't be like say that same time change or also follows to say they don't change from this political party. They don't change to another political party. As a result of that, everything about them has changed. They don't become very moral, and they are out to do it to lead the people based on how the change spirit they take and move them.
And as the change spirit they move them, I make them come they change the amount. Say it be like say this 5,000 naira you go there. See who could be this matter they very very clear.
No, of course.
Virtually every part of Nigeria at that time we see billboards. When they put them, he in capital letter for on top of the billboard. They write and say graduate job seekers allowance. People wey not go university wey finish, wey never get work, go they collect allowance. People wey no get work, go they collect allowance. Time don't reach to do am. The reason why plenty Nigerians they complain be say, make we as we take talk yesterday, make we they get timeline, make we they get date. If you come and tell us say we go get light by 2017, all of us go sleep, they wait for 2017 to reach. They see how you go they work towards getting that light for 2017. In the fight against insecurity, Oga President will come and talk say, in the very, very certain say, with the way when our army then the ginger, by December, Boko Haram Jaguda people, their work go don't finish. Now our army people don't know say, okay, he get dates when they work with. So they go begin the work, say, oh yeah, make they make progress. But if we don't get dates and it can't be story, now he be say, wahala dey. With the reaction of APC senators for the House of Senate, he be like say some of them even know for their mind say, hey, this talk when we talk that time now just ordinary talk if you don't reach to do now we no go fit do am.
I did listen to one of our big sister radio station yesterday, and for one of the programs where they go on there, somebody now this issue then discuss about somebody one Nigerian come talk say Nigerians today in a haste they make they allow these people make them work waiting be that self make they allow them work. So now I come to ask myself say allow them work. Bear in mind, say, these people were there for house. These senators, that people where they represent these same Nigerians. As a matter of fact, this is not even, see, the demand is not even coming from Nigerians. Maybe say, the ordinary Nigerians, they represent.
Exactly.
But this is a demand coming from members of that same Senate, where be the opposition, no matter where, as long as they are representing a particular people, they are representing Nigerians. Now, them raise this issue.
True.
And as a result of that issue ought to have been addressed in the House, rather than the opposition because they say, no, we will not talk about it. That is totally wrong.
True.
Me, I don't agree with that. I know say I come from that. I know say it doesn't smile.
No,
I know.
I happy as you they come from.
No, I have to because I'm a Nigerian and I have to speak like a Nigerian.
Very true.
I mean, I will not deviate from the fact say yes, our own major issue now to speak for the people and stand by the people. That is why we are speaking for you.
But then again, make we emphasize say, if we check the way when we say the PDP senators they push that 5,000 naira.
Okay.
Somehow, if we look at from one angle, even though APC promise, but it go be like say, na make we see what una fit do. But the reason why they go come from that angle now because of say the APC never come out to tell us anything. It just be like say. They look and say, oh yeah, we don't talk up, we don't win.
And as a matter of fact,
forget.
for me, that was the appropriate time for them to say, okay, make we my address
exactly.
Make this people feel right.
Rather than use excuse, say,
when they say no, make them go pro,
you want to take spend shopping money
imagine.
Before they come, they discuss this other one.
I they refer back to, I'm not to say we could not bring back the past. Actually, for us to be able to get the future right, we're going to need to look back to the past. But we could not so heavily depend on the past just because of say we they find the excuse. It will not help us out.
Exactly.
If not like me, I depend on this past till in the next 4 years. We will not say yes, this government have nothing to offer.
It's very important to point out. Say even if we talk about the past, virtually all of our political class, the past when they get, now past when we say many of us don't decide say we won't run away from.
Why we even seek for democracy in the first place?
Exactly.
Maybe for us to at least move away from one past when they favor Nigerians to something new. Even the same thing where we don't come enter say we now what go favor us. Somehow our leaders see they fall our hand on top of them. I mean. If we need to move on, let us address issues the way they should be addressed and stop giving excuses based on how it takes time.
Exactly.
Rather, let us advance and let the past teach us lesson on how to advance for tomorrow. That's what it's supposed to be.
Nkubi, I just, you know, say, e be like say this November 10 when they come, now the thing don't make you change.
No.
No, I know, excuse me,
I have
I
always been Nkubi. I never changed from anything.
Since we start this show on top of, for Monday, I notice say, your point, they go with my own point. And my point, now the point of the people. We talk about bad road, you come out complain, say, make we begin to repair this bad road.
No, you don't do it.
We talk about say, people spend 11.65 billion.
Don't
You
do
come out and say, no, you kick against them.
As they talk, they make me vex. And as they open that your teeth, I call they say under character in you. You know what they call Nchi? Grasswater. No, they open that teeth for me. You know, so grass cutter. So just respect yourself. If you want to talk, let us address this issue. This has always been me. I did talk issue based on how they see them.
Could be they call me grass cutter.
I say you the way I don't talk say I call you grass cutter. I say the way they open your teeth, just do like no, the grass cutter teeth they always come front. That I call they see something where they similar to that. But I don't call you grass cutter. Grass cutter.
Ask me waiting and they see if I look you.
I don't want to know.
I go talk am. I dey see bushmeat. If they see grass cutter, I see bushmeat. You see grass cutter, I see bushmeat. You see grass cutter, I see bushmeat.
Your own get me.
Because when they come, they talk. We don't they talk this thing. We don't they talk this thing now.
No,
you can't come here now. You are trying to
politicize this issue.
What it concern
grass cutter? You are trying to politicize this issue. What it concern what now talk? We say adopt born again. On top of everything, when I not be born again, say if I stand up, talk through na bad thing. As when they talk through in the past.
You know they ever talk through before.
See you.
We talk about women, you kick against them. We talk about police, you kick against them. We talk about feeding children, you kick against them. You everything when we talk here, now you they always they kick against them. Now you don't join my points now.
If they talk, does they cover that to your front teeth, make you know they show. No pass like that. They go, talk.
You go mind yourself on top of this show. You go mind yourself where we on top of this show. I they warn you. Because if like they don't start talk about my military background, I make you just feel like say you feel they talk to me anyhow.
When you anytime we talk about your military background, they stand. At the time they shake.
We stand, you stand. We stand, you stand. If na even say you even sit down where yourself, we go talk say you stand. You ain't even need chair, you need table to support you. You dey talk about standing. You go dey use your mouth, they put yourself for trouble. You need support now. You need support. Even that this 5,000 when they talk now, now you the thing. Even
hey, don't insult my personality.
At least
don't insult me.
May you buy, I don't get work. May you buy ladder now.
No.
May you buy ladder. May you buy ladder. 5,000. Buy ladder. Uncle, we go on that novice. We go on that topic. We're just talking. Maybe we talk about the one when we say APC spend plenty money for election.
You don't yab me now. You don't switch over to major issue. When at the beg is make we switch over. Okay, just go ahead.
Oh yeah, now. Information come out say APC and PDP spend over 11.65 billion naira for the 2015 general elections, according to the Center for Social Justice. These people do their investigation, come and talk, say, on top of, say, media, on top of all those different kind of campaign, say the APC and PDP, they spend plenty money. Many Nigerians come, they talk, say, why it be, say, election, they be like competition, say, we must win. And people don't look and say, if people take election as business, say then they channel plenty money go inside. At the end of the day, they can't win the position. Not be to work.
Now the life of the people they are at risk.
Exactly.
Because some of these people go, in fact, the point is, this money, well, I know say definitely, somehow, this money go pass this amount. It go pass them overwhelmingly. Make we just leave all this, this thing.
You know why Happy say, they talk like this? You know all these things. But you know, excuse me, during the electioneering campaign when they talk here, you know they agree talk. Yeah, I Happy say, see, the Bible talk and say the truth shall always what?
Bear in mind, say, that's na own time. Na the money, angle the money plenty pass because we know what they then president they do. We know how they travel about all they dole out money to the uppers, the youths, just they give them. We know the amount where they give them now. Hold waiting.
Hold that one. I no talk reach that level. No collect this call from Oga Mustafa. Oga Mustafa, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Mr. Chukwudi Ankubi.
Good morning, Oga Mustafa.
I always hail.
Thank you very much.
Yes, let me go a bit. My own contribution this morning will say I will only concentrate on two main issues that you discuss or during the week.
Feel free.
The first one is the issue of the bad road in the eastern part of the country. And the second one is the unemployment, which is very critical. Honestly, federal government should look into the issue of eastern part of the country and as a matter of urgency and declare a sort of emergency. There is no need for us to continue in that life. Look, the past have passed. People who they gave them their opportunity to make sure that this road is in good shape. They failed to do it. What I will only tell the federal government is that they should focus their attention and declare a state of emergency on that road. The implication of this, if we leave it like that, is that it gives room for criminals to attack innocent Nigerians.
Yes.
And it affects the economy of this nation. Innocent people. It's eastern part of the country, not part of Nigeria. We will not agree to that. Please use this medium to fire government, let them pay attention. Secondly, on the issue of unemployment is very, very critical. Chukwudi,
sir,
you always like to play politics with this issue. I don't want you to always look at this issue as APC. They promise 5,000 naira, this and that. This, you and I know that the economy was very, very bad. As of yesterday, Lai Mohammed came out on air and has defended this Sinclair. He said they will certainly fulfill this promise. And as we speak, don't you know that these people are working with the 2015 budget, which was made on $78 per crude oil, and you cannot expect them to do. What do you want them to do now? They can't get this money from the post of the budget that was already cooked, which is not realistic. And the past administration have told Nigerians that this is the state of Nigerian economy, is clean and is okay. And these people make their promise on the story they hear on paper. Now they have seen it very, very clear. Let me tell you something. It is very easy for Nigerians to achieve that. That was why federal government, banks, and other institutions, agencies are trying to create a database for Nigeria so that if you start the program, you can easily know Nigerian youth that are unemployed and you can channel, you can find. The essence is just.
Oga Mustapha, thank you very much for this important point when you don't drop. Like you talk, the talk person of the All Progressives Congress, Alhaji Lai Mohammed, don't come and talk, say the plan when we say they drop and they know what thing they do to achieve it. When we collect this call from Owerri, Oga Chukwudi, good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning, Chukwudi, my brother.
Good morning.
Good morning, Kubi.
Good morning.
Honestly, the last speaker, he sounds more like an apologist. Well, but let me not go to that angle. You see, I used to say this in most times. When would they campaign? We will campaign, but for governance, in a collective interest. Not be say you go come they tell us say the APC, PDP. Now, interest of the people, now be supposed to be paramount for governance.
Exactly.
Not EB. Now, for the issue, as you take concern with your guy talk say with Daybrook, I don't talk him before. Say, Oga Buhari na symbol of Nigeria as it be now. He gets some kind of information where they say he supposed hold them to himself. Classified information, they call them for administration. He gets something where you like, only you don't go talk them to the next person. Because if he table them, country go spoil. Now, they don't know say you want to talk to for everything where they ask you. If they ask you security question, you go tell them say how you want to take do that. You supposed to hold those ones for yourself. These are classified information. If you are picking they sick, you don't go come tell and say this sickness go kill you. You go to give an hope. At the talk, you go to give an hope. Person where catch mama and papa where they sleep together. Come out, come talk say I catch mama, I see my papa and my mama last night where they do something. Now, two in talk, but now flip person be. In down with mama and papa where they sleep. In come back and say, I see my mama last night with my papa where they sleep. What is the truth? But my flip man where he be. So, sometimes it's supposed to for the mind of the president. Now, he go to now find solutions to how to tackle that, not to begin the program. He go to demoralize people like us or the younger ones. Now, for the ministerial position, now I quickly talk on that one. You see, all the ministers where they don't screen now, they represent one state. Now, which state where you don't go give ministerial portfolio? So, which you go take that state where you want abandon, take the other one, give a ministerial portfolio. Mm-hmm. The ministers are there not for themselves. They are there for the state. If you not give him a state any ministerial portfolio, what you go tell us? You go give our own minister kitchen, make you go to buy papers every day for you. Now, what we send them there to do is a constitutional issue. You don't take this one and leave this one. It is provided that every state shall have a minister in the federal cabinet.
Oga Chukudi, thank you very much
Thank
for
you
that
very much.
important point when you don't drop. You touch on a lot of our topics and you can talk am the way when the thing be. Quickly, we go rush, enter this small break. When we go this break, come back, we'll continue our discussion. As it is hot, no go anywhere.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.